In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remix your own vocals using Suno AI V4. This innovative tool allows you to transform your vocal recordings into something truly unique with just a few simple steps. Whether you're an aspiring musician or just someone who loves experimenting with sound, this guide will help you get started with Suno AI and give your recordings a fresh new spin. First, open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type Suno and hit enter. You should see the official Suno website link appear in the search results. Click on this link to enter the Suno homepage, where the magic of vocal remixing awaits you. Once you're on the Suno site, look for the Create button on the interface. Clicking on this will navigate you to a page where you can explore various creative tools that Suno offers. Here, you'll need to select Audio, which is the section dedicated to audio creation and manipulation. Next, you'll want to hit the Record button. This takes you to the recording interface, where you can start capturing your voice. To begin recording, click on the red button prominently displayed on your screen. At this point, it's your time to shine. Record your voice, or perhaps sing an original song you've been working on. Remember, this is the raw track that's going to be transformed by Suno's powerful AI. After you've finished recording, you'll want to stop the recording process by clicking on the same red button. It's time to save your masterpiece. Find the Save option and click it to preserve your audio file for remixing. With your recording saved, click Continue to proceed to the remixing phase. Here, you can unleash your creativity. You'll have the option to select a style for your remix, or simply type in a prompt that describes the vibe you're going for. For instance, try something like auto-tuned electronic vocal to give your track an edgy, futuristic feel. Once you've made your style selection or inputted your prompt, it's time to bring your remix to life. Click the Create button and let Suno AI do its magic. The AI will analyze your input and apply the requested modifications to produce a polished new version of your original recording.